What is a collage? That is a very good question. Well, we are making one today together. So what you need to create a collage is a glue stick, scissors, papers. We're going to glue paper, an overlap paper, onto a backing, and in this case we're using a white piece of paper. I'm using colored paper. I am picking a color that I love and I'm folding my paper in half. In this case I'm drawing a triangle, and I want the triangle to be fairly large. I am going to be using an artist as an inspiration, and his name is Wayne Thiebaud. He is known for his delicious paintings of desserts. So here I'm showing you how you can draw your shape and cut it out, or you can tear the shape. And since I folded the paper, I'm going to get two shapes at the same time. Now, what are these shapes going to be? I don't know. I glue them down in different directions on my paper, and now I'm going to use some of Wayne's ideas. I'm using color pencils today, and what I'm going to do first is see if you can guess what we are making. Curvy lines going upwards towards that very tip of the cone, or the V, whatever you want to call the shape, or triangle. So by now I think you may have guessed. Yeah, looks like an ice cream cone, a waffle cone. So today we're drawing ice cream cones, delicious ice cream cones. But we are also creating a collage because we cut out the papers and we glued it onto the backing, the white paper. And we also looked at the shapes and decided for them to be turned into ice cream cones. Now I know in my class, during class, some of you decided to turn your triangle into something completely different. A house, a rocket. That's so exciting to me that you are thinking and you come up with your own ideas and you trust your own ideas and then you do them. So I am encouraging you to use your own ideas. So I'm showing you this as a starting point, and you can use some of it because it is helpful. You will learn about shading and about composition, how to make an interesting background, and how to think about size. You see the ice cream cones are fairly small compared to me standing behind my ice cream cones. But I can't wait to see what you turn your triangle into. Maybe you'll keep one as an ice cream and you'll turn the other one in to something completely different. Have fun while you color this in. Now, another type of collage that is much more free form is the accidental collage technique. And you can also call it collage by chance. So the first thing I'm doing is I am picking some colors I love. I'm cutting out different random shapes. I prefer to draw the shape before I cut them and then try to cut on the line as much as I can. If you feel comfortable to just cut right away, do that. Now I am looking at the shapes and I have no plan. What I'm doing here is I am letting chance take care of creating the art. So I'm dropping my shapes onto the paper, and wherever they land I have to glue them down. So I don't really have a say in what this is going to look like. Now, chance or the accident of dropping them may end up looking like a specific thing or object, or it may not. So this is a collage that I would consider abstract. This is my abstract collage. It's playful, it's fun, and yes, it may remind you of something. Take care of your glue stick, don't forget to put the cap on. And here it is. And the inspiration for this collage is Henri Matisse. And here is an image of Henry when he was older and when he created his collages by cutting out different colored paper, creating collages. This collage was made by Henri Matisse when he was actually really old. Can you guess what it is of? It's hard to tell. You'll find out the answer at the very end of the video.